my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I have a new DIY for you guys. So beautiful, I love how it turned out and very inexpensive to do, and I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, also remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other channel, Jazomy Home. The link is going to be in the description box, and I think it was last week we posted a new video about how I decorate my Christmas tree and all my home for these holidays. It is so much fun, so make sure that you watch that video, and of course you can subscribe to that channel too. You are more than welcome. So yeah guys, I hope that you like this video, and let's get started.
For this project, I'm going to be using these craft paper roll that I get from Walmart. Very cheap, but you can also get it from Amazon, and I'm going to be leaving you a link in the description box. You can also use the craft paper roll that you can find at Dollar Tree. It's a little bit longer, but of course you can cut it. This one is about 12 inches wide, and what I'm going to be doing is to roll one of the ends, and I'm going to add hot glue to make sure that it's going to stay how I want, and then I'm going to be rolling that paper a few times and again add hot glue. For this project, you have so many options. You maybe can use your Cricut if you have it. You can write or draw something by hand, or you can use stickers. You can use the ones that you can get from Dollar Tree, but this time I'm going to be using this wall art that I get about 2 years ago from Walmart, and I really like it. It says "Oh Holy Night." The stars are brightly shining, and I really like it. The letters are in navy color, and I'm going to be cutting only the letters for this project. Like I said, I'm only going to be using the words of these wall art because I don't know, I think they're going to look better in my paper rolls. So I'm going to be figuring out how I want them to be on my sign, and then this is super easy. They are stickers, so I'm going to be sticking everything and making sure that the stickers have no bubbles to make sure that everything is going to look fine. This is going to be a paper scroll sign, so I need to make sure that I'm leaving a large amount of space between the letters and the rest of the paper, because I want to do the same thing that I did in the other side of this sign. So I'm going to leave a long space, and I'm going to be cutting and then rolling all the paper to make sure that it's going to stay how I want it to be. I'm going to be adding hot glue at the end. Now I'm going to be using this nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it inside the paper space that is already rolled up on the top side of the sign, and I'm going to cut a piece, and then I'm going to join both ends with hot glue. And guys, this will help me hang my sign. If you don't have a nautical rope, you can also use any ribbon that you have and you like, and that combines with your Christmas theme for this year. Now it's time to decorate this sign, and I decided to do something very simple but with a high-end look. So for that, I'm going to be using so many leaves. I get these eucalyptus leaves from Amazon. They are from a very high quality and I love them. I have been using them in so many projects, and of course you can find the link in the description box. They are very affordable. So I decided to use 2 picks, and I glue them on the top of the sign with hot glue. From there, I'm going to be gluing these lamb's ear from Walmart. I cut a few leaves and I'm going to be gluing those here and there on the top and making sure that I'm mixing them with the rest of the leaves that I have. This is going to create a good contrast on textures and in green tones. You can also maybe use holly bushes from Dollar Tree and also any pine picks that you have, or maybe ornaments or any greenery at the top of the sign, and I'm sure that is going to look amazing too. Okay, now the final touch, and I'm going to be using these DIY stickers that I get from Dollar Tree, and because of the message that is on my sign, I decided to use these stars that have glitter, and I'm going to be gluing 3 of them between the greenery at the top of the sign. And that will be all, guys. This will be the result of these 5-minute DIYs. Super simple and easy, and a budget-friendly idea that you can make at home. I hope that you like it, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Leave me a comment and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell and share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my new webpage, and my other channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are in the description box. See you on the next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.